Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to my kitchen. In this short video, I'm going to make Serrano pineapple tequila. So I'm going to infuse the tequila with the Serrano peppers and the pineapple. I've done this numerous times using jalapeno and pineapple, and it turns out fantastic, or I've done jalapeno and strawberry. I don't have any jalapenos, but I grew some Serranos out of my deck. I'll put a link to the video where I made planter boxes and planted those. These are the last two, these sorry little guys here. They're ugly. Ugly vegetables need love too. The heat difference between a Serrano and a jalapeno can be pretty significant, so I'm not really sure how hot they're going to be. I'm hoping it's not going to be too much, but they're small. I pulled these off. We had our first hard frost, and they're the last one, so the poor plant is done. I'm just going to take these guys and slice them open. Expose the seeds of the membranes. They go into this nice little glass jar. It has a lid that seals. This is just from a home goods store. So that goes in there first. I'm going to cut up this pineapple, put a bunch of that in here, pour the tequila in. I am going to use a sous vide. I'm going to put it in the sous vide at 145 degrees, probably about 3 hours. You don't need to do that if you don't have a sous vide. You can just put it in this, put it in a cool, dark place. Historically, I've left that go for about 3 weeks or so, maybe a little longer than you need it. But you're going to end up having a ton of great flavor infused into the spirit. Then we're going to strain that at the end, and it'll make a really tasty cocktail. So please enjoy. Thanks for watching, and let me get to work on this pineapple.
Three hours later.
All right, cocktail time. So I've got my infused tequila here. I have some orange liqueur, and I have fresh squeezed lime juice. So I already squeezed most. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this guy off here. I also have 2 martini glasses, so I'm gonna do these up. So it's a Rita Tini. I have a lime that I put a slice in. I'm gonna rub this around, just get a little bit of lime juice on the rim. Salted. All right, so those glasses are salted. Got a couple lime wedges. Just put on the edge. Now, like most cocktails, it's a very simple ratio. We're doing 4 parts tequila, 2 parts orange liqueur, and 1 part lime juice. I'm gonna get some ice. So 4-2-1 or 2-1.5, depending on how you want to think about it. Let me get ice, I'll be right back. Okay, got some ice in there. Lime juice. Our infused tequila. Orange liqueur. So now, a little vigorous shake. So there we go. I got one for me and one for you. Cheers. Yeah, so tasty. So the Serrano comes through with a very little bit of heat. It's not too much. It sort of comes in late. I think there's a really nice balance with the pineapple and that sort of nice agave from the tequila. So give this a shot. I think it's really tasty. I'm confident you will too. Thanks for watching.